are mostly focused on innovative synthesizers and sound machines, different kinds, not only directly connected with music, but also for different sound experiments and explorations. So here we can present you our synthesizer called Terra. This is a product in development, so it's not the final version. This is prototype, the very first prototype, but it's already able to show you some possibilities and new approaches that we have here. So first of all, this very extremely simple interface that made ergonomically to fit your hands. So you see, it's organized in human perspective, not in machine perspective. And you can play whole performance keeping your arms in the same position. That can keep you relaxed, and it has no complex display or menu diving. So you can dial everything just instantly in several touches and keep a lot of things in your memory and play it very intuitively. So I mean, you will need to read manual maybe just one time, and then you just learn functions. That's quite simple and carefully chosen to be first of all very playable, and then just use it as, like, let's say, in a way of acoustic instrument. So we have 12 notes here, and each note can be tuned individually and also microtonal. So this way you can create any kind of different scales, and then you can modify these scales using this pitch shifting system. So all combinations, all possible combinations of these sensors produce different tune, and this way you can, using this very simple and compact system, play huge range like grand piano. Also, you can modify timbres using this on the left hand part sensors. The instrument is very sensitive to different kind of movements and sound extractions. So in combination with these possibilities, we can play a lot of different things using just instant connection with sensors. And also you can dial 64 variations of sound using this triangle. For example, you can add in this engine, so I forgot to say, it will have 32 different sound engines. It's not different presses, it's real different synthesizers with different circuitry, different algorithms inside, and you can make modification of each engine using this triangle, LED triangle, and create 64 variations. For example, vibrato. Or soft distortion. And also very carefully chosen knobs, so they are just very small amount. So to keep this idea of super simple interface. So for example, instead of classical IDSR, we have just release knob, but we can make attack and all this stuff using our fingers. So we need just release. So then we have two buttons that are different and different algorithms. I call it C and Sun. So like two domains, something connected with waves, with flexibility, something fluid, and Sun, something connected with brightness, light, intensity, then volume, and effect section with mix, time, and switching between delay and reverb. Also a unique feature that delay and reverb has its own unique memory, so you can use it like store some sound. Also, here we made special system to save and load presets. So of course you can create your own presets that includes scales and settings of all parameters that it has. And you can store it directly to sensors of Terra, so you can choose one of 6 banks here and then just launch preset using simple touch. So one touch, you launched new presets. For example, here we have bass. So this is, I think, core things that we can now, the main things that contains Terra philosophy and design. So we're still working of it, so it's not finished product, it's in development, and so something can be changed, added, improved, etc. So we hope something like 1 year and it will be available for purchase. So watch our news, keep tracking Soma news, and you will find all this information regarding next destiny of this product. So hope soon it will be available for musicians. So thank you for watching. Vlad Kreimer, Soma Laboratory. Sorry that it took 3 days.
It's okay. Good things take some time. Thank you.